To give you some background on the ebWASP project, consider the traditional paper-based document exchanges. To send an invoice from a sender to a receiver, it has to go through a printing process, posting process, and although this process has been replaced by PDF, still it is a fairly manual intensive process. So to reduce the costs, you can use e-invoicing, and e-invoicing costs much less than using paper or PDF. You don't have to manually hand each invoice. The data is more accurate and complete, but there are many challenges. Different industries use e-invoicing in different ways. Regulations varies. The data can be encoded in many different standards. These differences makes it a very fragmented market. The idea of ebWASP is to provide some integration workflows. So people who are exchanging invoices, rather than sending them by email or a communication network, they exchange them via workflows. This way, document exchanges are automated, there's less human intervention and low risk of errors, and also the workflows can take care of anything to do with standards and compliance with regulations.